Find the measure of x to the nearest degree when la la la. These, again, are find the angle, or angles, that would explain this trig ratio. And again, you might have guessed from the fact that they're decimal values that we're going to need some calculator help here. Sine x is minus 0.809. First of all, they're saying sine is negative, so where are we? That narrows it down quite a bit. Sine is negative down here in quadrant 4, and it's negative over here in quadrant 3. So we're not anywhere in the upper half plane. What's our reference angle? You can get that by going to the calculator. Now, important point, the calculator does not deal very well with this negative sign. If you let the calculator know that this is negative, it's going to clumsily and badly try to tell you what quadrant you're in, and we don't need that kind of help. So ignore that negative when you're talking to the calculator. Just do second sine 0.8090. Just let it think that we're using a positive value. And it should tell you that this angle is 54 degrees if you left the negative off. So you're doing something like second sine 0.8090, enter if you have that kind of calculator. If you have a simpler scientific calculator, then you'd enter 0.8090 second sine, and it'll instantly calculate it. It gives you 54 degrees, which means we either have a 54 degree reference angle here, or a 54 degree reference angle here. Now, those are not the angles that we actually want. We want standard angles, which go like this. 90, 180, this would be 180 plus 54, or option 2, we could have this angle, which is go all the way around to 360 and then back up by 54. So we could be talking about the 234 degree angle or the 306 degree angle. Both of those are valid answers, and so I wish they had said the measures of x up here, because both of these are good. For the next one, same procedure, we're just speaking cosine this time. If cosine is negative, where are we? We're either in this quadrant or in this quadrant, the two quadrants where cosine comes out negative. What's our reference angle? Again, you're going to go second cosine 0.809. Don't tell it about the negative sign again, it'll just embarrass itself trying to guess which quadrant you're in when it doesn't know. You should get a 36 degree reference angle, meaning 36 there or 36 there. What are those as rotation angles? This one is 180 minus 36, or the other possibility is 180 plus 36. So either 216 degrees or 144 degrees. Again, they're both perfectly good answers. They should take them both. And last one, tangent. Again, it's negative, so what quadrants are we in if tan is negative? Either we're here, or we could be in quadrant 4. Those are the two where tan is negative. What's our reference angle? I'm going to do second tan. Again, don't tell the calculator about the negative sign. Just go second tan 2.4586. 2.4586, second tan. You have to round it a little bit, but I get 68 degrees, which means we either have a 68 degree reference like this, or a 68 degree reference like that. As rotation angles, this would be 180 minus 68, which is 112. Or here we could have 360 minus 68, which, if I'm not mistaken, is 292. Again, two solutions, both equally good.